Hey YouTube, it's Meredith Moore from Wonder Fair, back with another live unboxing video. This one's from Rifle Paper in Florida, and it's part 1 of 4. Okay, so as I said, this is box 1 of 4 boxes, the first in a 4-part mini-series of Rifle Paper unboxing. We're gonna have some planners in here, we're gonna have some graduation and Mother's Day cards. It's gonna be a good time. So, how do you unbox 4 boxes? Well, very carefully. Let's start by looking at the shape of this box. It's flat and long. We know it's 1 of 4 because it's got the packing list on it. So we're going to need to look the box over for distinguishing features to decide how to get inside. This kind of looks like a pocket, so you're going to want to enhance that first. Maybe make it look like a shirt. And give it a little collar, like that. Maybe put a pencil in the pocket, because we're a stationery store. Maybe it's a black wing pencil. Nice. Great. And some buttons. Okay, so we got the shirt. You see that? Now let's get in that pocket. Get that packing list out. Right? Okay. Here we go. Looks complete. Scanning it for back orders. Maybe later. All right, we're ready to get in there. We've established the general shape of the box. We're going with the shirt today. And let's get in there and see what's inside. Quick incision, keep that blade short. No one wants to cut their notebook cover before you've even put it on the floor. That's sloppy. Great. Excellent. Free gifts with purchase. Okay. Where am I going to put all this? Onward. We'll figure that out later. Unboxing notebook sets. Very nice. Sets of 2. Pretty good for fountain pen ink. Not the best. It'll get the job done. More notebooks. 4 of those. Tapestry pattern. Very nice. Next up, so many cards. The long ones. Hot dog length. That's an industry term. Should we unbox these? They're in plastic. Technically not a box. That's against the rules. Next up, this looks like a box. What could be inside here? Open. Okay. Now that looks like a bear. So, on our marker here. Great. Now we can look inside. Now that we've established what this box is, it's a bear, and it's full of art prints. Oh, nice. Oh, hello. That worked out great. Now we save this forever. Great. Okay, what's next? A, B, M, bam. Alphabet card sets. Next. People with monograms. Guess what I found out placing this order? They don't even make a Z. Sorry, Katie Ziegler, we cannot fulfill your dream card, ever. I'll get back to you on that if we can ever figure it out, but they don't even make a Z. That seems weird. Lots of people's last name starts with C. Oh, I almost opened this bag. It's for our bag unbagging video. It's a different video series. Like and subscribe our other channel, Unbagging at Wonder Fair. Here's some more things in bags. These are journals. Nice. Summer is a great time for journaling. Take that on vacation with you. The best memories aren't left on Facebook. They can expunge your profile anytime. Keep it in a journal. That's a tip from Wonder Fair. Thank you cards. No thank you, Facebook. They deleted our account one time. I don't want to go into it. Recipe cards. Excellent. You'd be surprised how often we get requested recipe cards. Take that, Blue Apron. Just sorry to be so mean to social media today while I'm doing my unboxing. Just feeling a little punchy. Just so excited. 4 more boxes. I mean, 3 more. 3 more boxes. It's very exciting. Thank you again. It's a good season for gratitude. Mother's Day, Father's Day is coming up. Thanks, Dad, for bringing me breadsticks at work yesterday. Birthday cards looks like in there. That's a new design. You'll have to come see it in the store. I'm not going to give you a preview. Here's a great new Mother's Day card design from Rifle Paper. Very nice. Look at that gold foil. Many of Rifle Paper's envelopes are also gold. Bling bling. Father's Day cards. This one, of course, supporting hands culture. Dad's all about that. Giant foam hands. Many people collect those. Happily ever after. Could be a wedding card. Could just support like your book release. Maybe your first book release. Congrats on that. Thank you cards again. Great. By special request, more dog cards. Dog card customer, I hear you. I'm here for you. I got you more of those. As many as you want. Wonder Fair. More thank you cards. You're welcome, dog card person. It's my pleasure. They don't make a you're welcome card. Free tip, Rifle Paper. Have a wild birthday. Birthdays go over here. The world is your oyster. Graduation, wedding, birthday, fancy dinner, who knows? The best is yet to come. It's basically a box of philosophy here with this unboxing video. Here we have happy birthday. Does this look familiar? Wait for it. Boom. Maybe too much to give both, I don't know. I'd do it. Synchronized swimming, by the way. Did you catch that in the Olympics? Incredible. How do they all walk like that? Just check it out. Look up some synchronized swimming in the sidebar. Wishing you a very happy birthday. Nice. Nothing very Olympic about that one. All right, here it is. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 tubes of mermaid wrapping paper. Personal favorite. Why not just paper your walls with it? It's like very affordable alternative. Rifle Paper also does design wallpaper, but we can't afford to have that here at Wonder Fair. Next best thing, wrapping paper. All right, there's still something in here. Can you see it? It's hidden. You gotta keep a wary eye when you're unboxing something from Rifle Paper. Big Bear. All right. Guess that other was the baby bear. It's got softer eyes. Great. Cards. baby bear. Long bear. Good. Next, what do we have here? I think we're at our single sheets of wrapping paper now. Unboxing this new pattern of rifle paper. I think this is called Rosa wrapping paper. Though those look like ranunculus to me. I'll check with our flower expert. Beautiful. Once again, why not just paper your whole wall? And every box in your house. Your cereal boxes, maybe like your Kleenex boxes, any box. Why hold yourself back? Unboxing is really just the first step of a journey to beautifying every box in your home. And I think that's gonna just about cover it. Hold up. They're sending me just all these free bear envelopes. Thanks, Rifle Paper. I really appreciate it. This one's gonna be a panda. We're going to the big side of the perma-pick for this one. Up. That became boobs. Going with it. Save that for later. All right, well, I think we're at the end of our box. So let's close this one up. Start on the next one. See you in part 2 of 4. And in the meantime, please like and subscribe this. And Wonder Fair unbagging. And we'll see you next time.